Good morning everyone. Today I will explain you moment of force. What do you mean by moment of force? What is the formula of moment of force? What is the unit of moment of force? Let me explain you this all one by one in detail. Firstly, I already told you moment of force and the turning effect of force. Both are the similar things. You already cleared in your mind that turning effect of force depends upon two factors, force and the perpendicular distance. Means product of perpendicular distance and the force is called moment of force. So the formula for moment of force become force multiplied by perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance we can mention with the help of r and force with symbol F. So we can write F multiplied by r or F multiplied by perpendicular distance in an abbreviated form. Next is unit of force. Unit of force, you know that Newton, and unit of distance, you know that meter. So unit of moment of force become Newton meter, which is denoted as capital N and small m. Capital N stands for Newton and small m stands for the meter. So Newton meter. In CTS system, the unit is dyne centimeter, whereas other related units mentioned as 1 Newton meter is equal to 10 raised to power 7 times centimeter, 1 kg of meter is equal to 9.8 Newton meter, and 1 gram force centimeter is equal to 980 times centimeter. Further, we can see that moment of force categorized into two categories: anti-clockwise moment of force and clockwise moment of force. Anti-clockwise moment of force is taken as positive, whereas clockwise moment of force is taken as negative. You can see in this diagram here 2 points are mentioned in the disk, one in each in the center, almost near about center, where disk is mentioned, that is the pivoted end. At this point where disk is mentioned with a solid dot, disk is pivoted, means fixed at one point. And 2 points A and B mentioned on the both disks. If a force is applied at point A, then disk start rotating in this direction, means against the clock, against the hands of clock. So it is considered anti-clockwise moment of force. And if force is applied at B point, then it is considered as clockwise negative. Means here disk rotates along the direction of clock. Next one is pressure. Pressure, before you understand this, you have to understand the concept thrust. What is thrust? Force applied on surface in a perpendicular direction normal to surface is called thrust, making a 90-degree angle to this surface. Thrust is a similar thing with force. So unit of thrust as well as force as well as weight is the same, that is Newton. Because thrust have relation with pressure, that's why I'm telling you what to mean by thrust. And the cause of pressure is the thrust. So formula. Next is the pressure. What is pressure? What is the formula of pressure? Pressure is defined as the thrust per unit area. thrust per unit area. We can write as thrust upon area or force upon area. Here, thrust or force, that is the same thing, and area is another. So SI unit of thrust is Newton per meter square, because force unit is Newton and area unit is meter square. So unit become Newton meter square. And this Newton meter square also called Pascal on the name of scientist, that is Blaise Pascal. Next one, define 1 Pascal. It is the pressure exerted by a thrust of 1 Newton, a force of 1 Newton on surface area of 1 meter square. That is 1 Pascal is equal to 1 Newton over 1 meter square.